Hello, good morning, and assalamu alaikum to all of my grade 3 students. I hope that you all are fine. And today I'm not going to mention my name. That I know that most of my students know my name, that what is my name. So I'm not going to tell you that who I am. You guys already know that who I am. So let's have a look that what is today for all of you. This is the lecture number 13 and the topic is multiplication. Yes, in the last lecture I explained you all a very interesting trick about the 6 times tables, and I just hope so that most of my students have learned it already. But I have a bit idea that still few students didn't learn the 6 time tables because they need a proper, you can say that a schedule from the teacher, that when they need to learn it, or they need a repetition of the instructions to learn it and then they learn it. So this is something that I have an experience. So I hope that most of my students have learned it, and the ones who are left, please learn the 6 times table as soon as possible. So let's have a look. Task of the day. Okay, our task of the day is today workbook page number 57 till 60, and one part is for your self-assessment, and the topic is same. It's the same that we did in the previous lecture, multiplication. So yes, this slide is about revision, and I just want to know that do you have an idea that what is multiplication? Anyone? What is multiplication? I explained you in the previous lecture. Yes, multiplication is a repeated addition. Yes, this is the simplest definition of the multiplication, and this is very important to learn it, that what is multiplication. So multiplication is a repeated addition, like you can see in the example that the boy is laughing and he's adding 7 plus 7 plus 7, and the answer is 21. And this is a quick way of addition, that 7 threes are, and you quickly get your answer. Multiplication of this by multiplication, and the answer is 21. Yes, so I just hope so that you guys have learned this line, that what is multiplication. Multiplication is a repeated addition, a quick way of you can say that addition. Yes, fast 7 times table trick. Yes, today I have a very interesting trick for all of my students, how to learn the 7 times table quickly, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it and learn it during the lecture with me. This is something that I want from all of you, that it's not a magic as it is seen in the picture, but this is something that is really going to help you, that how to learn the 7 times table bit quickly. Okay, yes, hurry up, don't be late. Yes, this is me who is going to tell you all that hurry up, don't be late to learn the 7 times table. It's basically not a trick, but you can say that it is a quick way of learning the 7 times tables. Yes, with this way you will quickly learn the 7 times table. And I want to mention one thing, that 7 times table and 8 times tables are the bit difficult one than the rest of the tables, because the numbers are getting bigger and bigger, and the kids are finding it bit difficult to learn the 7 and 8 times table. That's why I just invented this trick for my students. So what is a trick? Anyone who has an idea about it? Okay, yes, I'm going to disclose it. Yes, to learn the 7 times table, first of all, the trick is start by learning these 4 numbers in a sequence. Like you should learn these 4 numbers in a sequence, like repeat after me: 42, 49, 56, 63. This is something that you need to learn, like it's just like a cramming. Just start the cramming and learn these 4 numbers in a sequence, like me: 42, 49, 56, 63. Got it? 42, 49, 56, 63. Yes, make sure that you learn these numbers in a sequence. Please don't spoil the sequence of this for these four numbers, and just learn it. 42, 49, 56, 63. Okay, and now what you're gonna do, you will just show me, you can just look at your four fingers. You can't show me because this is not an online class, this is a recorded lecture. So what you're gonna do, you will just take out your four fingers as it is shown in the picture. You can see that, and with the top of the finger, which is called pointer finger, you will learn these numbers in a sequence like that. In this finger, 42, then 49, 56, 63. Yes, the smallest finger, which is called the pinky one, that is 63. So learn these four numbers in a sequence on your four fingers. How? Now take out your first finger, which is pointer one, and say 42, and then taller man 49, and ring man 56, and pinky is 63. These are the fingers name that are a bit famous, but don't get confused with the name of these fingers. Just learn these four numbers in a sequence on your four fingers. What are the four numbers? Yes, say it again. 42, 49, 56, 63. Yes, this is the way to learn these four numbers in a sequence, and your fingers are going to tell you that what it represents. Like the first finger 42 is 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, and 7 9s are 63. So what you can say, let me get my pen and then I will mention you that yes, this is my pen. These fingers represent 6. So you can just keep in your mind that this is 6. 6 7s are, 7 7s are, 7 8s are, and 7 9s are. So if somebody asks you 7 8s are, so you just quickly say 42, 49, 56. Yes, 7 8s are 56. This is the way to learn it. If somebody say, what is 7 6s are? So you will just say 6 are. This finger represents 6. So you will say 42. And if somebody ask you 7 7s are, so you will quickly learn 42, 49. This finger represents 7. 7 7s are 49. In this way, my students, you will quickly learn the hardest part of the 7 times table, and it really works because I always explain this trick to my students, and they surely learn it and they find it bit easy. So your task is just to learn these four numbers, and remember your fingers, that this finger is 7 6s are, and the other finger is 7 7s are, 7 8s are, and 7 9s are 63. And the sequence is, can you repeat with me? Yes, 42, 49, 56, 63. Yes, it's a bit like a rhyming style. So let's have a look. After learning that sequence, now your task is very easy, because everybody know 7 1s are or 1 7s are 7. Everybody knows it. You guys have already learned 2 times table in grade 2, so you know that 2 7s are or 7 2s are 14. You have already learned 3 times tables, so 3 7s are 21 or 7 3s are 21. Your task is also done. 4 times table is something that you guys have also learned it in the grade 2. So 4 7s are 28 or 7 4s are 28. 5 is something that's the most easiest table. So 7 5s are or 5 7s are. The answer will be same, 35. And yes, this blue part is gonna be very easy because you know the sequence. 42, 49, 56, 63. You know the most difficult numbers. So, and you know that now 6 7s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, and 7 9s are or 9 7s are 63, and 7 10s are, this is the most easiest answer, 70. So I hope that my students start learning the sequence of the numbers like this boy who is still thinking and quickly just trying to learn this trick. So this face, I love the face of this child, that it reminds me, my students, that this is the way that they were quickly revising the number and learning the sequence of these four numbers. So this is very easy, and it is a bit quick way of learning the 7 times table too. Just learn it. 42, 49, 56, 63. Just start the cramming of these four numbers, and then 7 times table will be so much easy for you. It's just like a milkshake. Just drink it and enjoy it. Okay, now let's start the explanation of the today's lecture. In focus means you guys need to be very much focused. I hope that my students are very much independent and they are attending their maths class by themselves. So that's why I didn't repeat that my instructions again and again. And I hope that you guys are doing your work by yourself. Or I explained you in my previous lecture, and I'm repeating it always in my classroom, is that maths is not about filling the book. It's not about just writing the number and I am done. No, you will not be done in the math subject, especially because there is a no learning part. Just understand, and this work will be so much fun for you. Okay, look at in this picture, there are 3 bags and there are worms in it. So you can see that how many worms are in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are 7 worms in each bag, and they are asking you how many worms are there altogether. So what you can do, you are not babies anymore, you are a grown-up kids. You start knowing about the multiplication. So you know that each bag has 7 and there are 3 groups. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group. So what will be your answer? 7 threes are. Yes. So let's have a look. They explain you one by one that each bag has 7. So 1 sevens are, or 7 ones are 7. Then you just jump on the next one. 7 twos are, 2 groups of 7. 7 twos are 14. And now you have 3 groups over here. So 3 groups of 7. 3 sevens are, or 7 threes are 21. So you quickly know the answer, that your answer is 21 rather than adding these 7, 7, 7. It's better to just quickly multiply, and this is the you can say that a basic rule of multiplication. Okay, this picture shows you all that if you join the puzzles correctly, then you can get a light. This is something that I want to explain you all. If you understand the concept, you can say that properly, then you will be able to get the concept and you can solve the questions related it. Okay, now let's start our today's work. My students, take out your workbook, page number 57, and I just want a happy smile like this. Yes, just do your work with a smile, because smile is something that is give you a strength and it give you a power. A bad mood is something that will never help you to enjoy something, and a good smiley face always help you to enjoy the topic. So this is something that's very easy, and I have an idea that most of my students have even start joining the matching. I know my sharp students are, my tigers are ready to just join the quickly and matching. So let's do the matching with me. It's 9 sevens are, or 7 nines are. Okay, 42, 49, 56, 63. 9 1 is 63. I just remember the sequence. So let's match it with the 63. Okay, 6 sevens are, or 7 6 are. It was a 1 finger. What was the first number of the sequence? That was 42. Okay, yes, I even don't need to learn the table and revise the table and counting the table from the 7 ones are 7, and then I came to 7 6 are. I just quickly remember that 4 numbers and I know the answers. Okay, they all are the same difficult ones. 7 8 sevens are, or 7 8s are. 42, 49, 56. 8 number was in the, you can say that in the middle finger, next to the middle finger. So it was 56. I know it. Yes. And now 7 sevens are, oh, these matching is totally related to the sequence of the numbers that we have just learned. Okay, yes, this is so helpful. Remember the sequence? Can you revise it with me? 42, 49, 56, 63. Yes, okay, the kids are so happy after doing the work. Okay, now let's move on. Your next page, take out your workbook page number 58. And the question is very interesting. Like, question give you a complete idea. Multiply by counting in sevens. It means you are going to use only 7 times table in these 2 pages. So this is very easy. Let's read the question. After reading the questions, let's start counting it. So let's look at this picture that there are, what are they? They are dumplings. Dumplings is a kind of a dish which is, you can say that kind of a you can say samosas, like this is a wrap which is there is a filling inside of it, so this is called dumplings. It's the name of a dish. So let's count that how many dumplings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we just need to count only the 1 items of the each dish, so it belongs to the 7 times table. So 7 twos are, 7 twos are, okay, you can read it. 2 sevens are, so what will be our answer? 2 sevens are 14. Yes, so now write down 14 over here. Let's move on to the next one, part B. Okay, yummy donuts are over here. This picture is like this whole page is, I think, about food. So how many donuts are there? Let's just count the items of the one box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are 7 items or 7 donuts in each box. And how many boxes are there? 3. So yes, quickly write it down. 3 sevens are or 7 threes are. The answer will be same, 21. Yes. So part 2 is done even. Okay, there are shirts over here. There are dash buttons all together. It means you are going to count the buttons and then you will tell them that how many buttons are there. Let's count the button first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Yes, there are 7 buttons. And what you're gonna do, how many shirts are there? 4. Yes. So what will be your answer? Anyone who knows the 4 times table, so you can quickly learn it till you can quickly read it till 7? Yes, it's 28. 4 sevens are or 7 fours are 28. You will copy the same number over here. And yes, the one page is done. These pages are very easy. Okay, this picture is bit like, you can say, dim, but you can clearly see from your workbook. So take out your workbook page number 59, and as you can see that how many ducks are there in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7. And how many groups are there? 5. So you can read that 7 fives are or 5 sevens are. 5 times table is very easy, and I know that. What is the answer? 35. Yes. Copy the same number over here. There are 35 ducks in total. Yes, this is a so quick way. Otherwise, if we count it 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, so it is so difficult to count so many ducks. Okay, now this picture is about balloons, so you can see that counts the balloons. Please make sure that what are the items in each group. So this is very important to count the item of the one group. So how many balloons are there? Let's just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we just come to a sequence number. 7 6 are. What was the first number? 7 6 are 42. Do you remember the sequence? Repeat it with me. 42, 49, 56, 63. So yes, the 42 is the answer of the balloon. In total, there are 42 balloons which we quickly count with the help of multiplication. Okay, there are dash candles. So we need to focus on the candles, that how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we already know that there are 7 candles, but make sure you are not going to skip this part. Make sure to count the items of the each group. And how many cakes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 sevens are. So 42, 49. Yes, our number is 49. We quickly add the candles. Do you see that how much easy it is to count so many candles just with the help of multiplication? We quickly know the answers. Okay, this is almost the last page of the day, and I hope that you guys have done the parts of work of page number 59 with me. And now let's move on to the page number 60. Question number 4. Question number 3 is your self-assessment. So as I told you that what is a product? Product is called the answer. So 8 and 7. So what was the fact of the families of the multiplication? That 8 sevens are or 7 eights are. Our answer will be same. And what was the sequence? 42, 49, 56. 8 is 56. So yes, I quickly know my answer. 56 is my answer. That's cool. Okay, oh sorry, my that you just see that the numbers join together. Okay, the next question is something that you can attempt by yourself. 3 and 7. So start mentioning it even before me. 3 sevens are, or you can swap the places. 7 threes are. 7 threes are 21. Yes. So we got the answer. The answer will be same. Its place and its value will not be changed. Okay, self-assessment question number 3, and it's the same page. Page number 60 is a self-assessment that you will do by yourself, by smiling just like these kids. That yes, this is the work that you will do by yourself. Just read the instruction. It's just like the previous work that we did. Color the chart below in the steps of 7. You are going to take a 7 steps starting from 7. So it means you will color first 7 and now take the 7 jumps like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so basically you are going to color the numbers of the 7 tables. Like you can say that over here 42, then 49, and then 56 and 63 and 70, and in the same way you know that 7 threes are and 7 fours are. This is something that's about the 7 times table. So as soon as possible, because now onward our chapter number 3 is only about tables. So the last question that they give you, do you see any pattern? If so, describe it. So you can mention over here it's a 7 times table pattern. So this is something that you can mention over here in your own words. Okay, I have a very interesting school memories for you, and you guys will also enjoy it. Okay, during the class, how many of students share the lunch with their friends? Okay, the question is, raise your hand if you ever did this with your best friend in school. Yes, during the class, how many students share the lunch with their best friends? I know a lot of my students who used to do this thing in the classroom. So this is the school memory that reminds me of my students, and Yes, the weekend task. Now I have a weekend task for all of you. Learn 6 and 7 times tables, and please learn it in a dodging form as well. It will help you, and even it sharps your memory too. So don't delay it. Learn the tables on time, and even revise the tables from 1 till 7. Like 1 is not important. Like 2 till 7 is very important to revise it and learn it. Even at the bedtime you can learn and revise the tables. It is not something that is difficult, it is something that is very important for all of you, and these tables are learning of tables will help you in your whole life. This is something that you are learning for a lifetime, so learn it happily. That's all for the day. Take care. Bye bye.